Hello colleagues and shalom from Israel. I am Dmitry, Key Account Manager at DSI, and today I will show you one of the maybe most interesting and useful biomaterial we produce, xenograft bovine graft gel, Zenoss Plus. So, what do we usually do when facing bone loss in the alveolar bridge? The process takes bovine, human or synthetic bone granules, which should be rightly mixed with blood and then inserted into the cavity. Not only is time spent on this process, but it contains a serious risk of sterility loss due to additional manipulation. As you are aware, the procedure did not stop here. To secure the granules, you are forced to input additional membranes and fix the system with the special tacks. Complicated and require extra appointment for tack removal, less convenient for the patient. With Zenoss Plus, all those issues are eliminated. There are three significant advantages of the product. The material contains a special polymer for so-called reverse thermoplasticity, which allows the bone graft to stiffen at higher temperatures. It starts to harden at 25 degrees Celsius and becomes solid in the intraoral environment, whereas at lower temperatures it reached the consistency of a gel. So, Zenoss Plus could fill even the most non-standard shapes of bone defects. DSI Zenoss Plus is ready to use a bone and syringe that allows immediate stability inside the defect after the placement and provides you with full control over the material viscosity. That feature is especially applicable in the sinus lifting procedures. No need for the additional membranes and tacks as material keeping its form in place of the procedure. Some more details about Zenoss Plus. It is designed to fill the missing bone space and encourage new bone tissue growth. Bovine bone is considered a safe and very effective material for bone grafting and dental implants. DSI Zenoss Plus is sterilized by gamma ray and contains no cellular elements. This eliminates the risk of any disease or unfortunate contamination. Zenoss Plus is easy to use product. All you have to do is remove the sterile preloaded syringe from the packaging, remove the perforated cap, and deliver the ready gelled granules to the defective site. Some additional recommendations. To ensure the formation of new bone, the Zenoss graft should only be placed in direct contact with well-vascularized bone. The cortical bone should be mechanically perforated. The operative site is closed by joining together the wound edges with suture stitches. If it is impossible to achieve complete wound closure, make a contouring flap. The clinical experience shows up to 70% of bone restoration already within 3 months. That stunning result is achieved due to no risk of cross-contamination and using the material which is considered safe and very effective for bone grafting with dental implants.
Zenoss Plus is best to use for augmentation or reconstructive treatment of the alveolar ridge, filling of bony periodontal defects, filling of defects after root resection, apicoectomy, and cystectomy, filling extraction sockets to enhance preservation of the alveolar ridge, sinus lifting, filling of periodontal defects in conjunction with products intended for guided tissue regeneration, GTR, guided bone regeneration, GBR. Filling of peri-implant defects. Simple to use. Fast deployed with an effective defect filling. Biocompatible. It can be used without additional instruments or barrier membranes. Supports vascularization, bone ingrowth, and nutrition. Radiopac. Made from 100% natural bovine source. Fully sterilized and contains no cellular elements. Completely resorbable. Optimal osteointegration rate. High porosity for improved osteoconductive properties.
You can order your Zenoss Plus syringe together with all the variety of DSI products today. Just visit our internet shop.
Brought to you by DSI.